1. Fix your posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. Your body tells your brain who you are. Confidence starts here. 2. Drink water. First thing in the morning. Before your phone, before anything. Hydration equals instant energy plus better skin. 3. Get sunlight every morning. 10 minutes. Real sunlight. This resets your body clock and upgrades your mood all day. 4. Go for a daily walk. Not for fitness, for clarity. This is where your best thoughts come from. 5. Cut processed snacks and seed oils. Low energy foods equals low energy life. Switch to real food. Watch the difference in a week. 6. Sleep with your phone across the room. If it's near you, you'll scroll. If it's far, you'll rest. 7. Change your pillowcase twice a week. This alone can fix random breakouts. 8. Try a digital detox Sunday. Half a day, no phone. It'll feel weird, then peaceful. 9. Stretch for 5 minutes before bed. Release tension leads to deeper sleep, leads to better mornings. 10. End your day with gratitude. 3 things every night. This rewires your brain without you realizing. 11. Stop speaking negatively about yourself. Your brain is always listening. 12. Read 10 pages a day. Small input leads to massive mindset shift. 13. Delete toxic social media accounts. Protect your attention like it's your future. 14. Take 5 deep breaths when stressed. This is your instant reset button. 15. Learn to enjoy your own company. Confidence grows in silence. 16. Dress how you want to feel, not how you feel right now. 17. Journal once a week. Clarity creates confidence. 18. Give more compliments. Good energy comes back fast. 19. Say no without guilt. Respect your time or no one else will. 20. Spend time with people who make you laugh. Energy is contagious. Choose wisely. 21. Wash your face with cold water in the morning. Instant refresh. 22. Exfoliate twice a week. Smooth skin equals clean look. 23. Moisturize daily, even if you're oily. Hydration fixes more than you think. 24. Use sunscreen every day. This is long-term glow. 25. Apply Vaseline to lips and lashes at night. Simple trick, big difference. 26. Keep your nails clean and trim. Small detail, huge impact. 27. Brush your tongue. Fresh breath equals silent confidence boost. 28. Use a silk or satin pillowcase. Less acne, less frizz. 29. Find a scent you love. People remember how you smell. 30. Smile more. It instantly upgrades your face. 31. Do 20 push-ups or squats every morning. Discipline greater than motivation. 32. Follow one rule. Real food first. Don't overthink it. 33. Replace sugary drinks. Water, lemon water, green tea. 34. Practice a confidence walk. Slow, controlled, intentional. 35. Stretch your neck and jaw daily. Most tension lives here. 36. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. No shortcut. This is the foundation. 37. Try 5 minutes of face yoga. Better circulation. Subtle definition. 38. Walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps daily. The easiest fat loss plus mood boost combo. 39. Cut sugar for 1 week. Watch your skin change. 40. Keep your hair routine simple. Healthy greater than overstyled. 41. Plan your outfits the night before. Start your day with intention. 42. Declutter your room weekly. Clean space equals clear mind. 43. Set weekly goals. Review them. Progress builds confidence. 44. Use the 2-minute rule. Small actions equals big discipline. 45. Talk slower. It makes you sound powerful. 46. Spend 10 minutes in silence daily. This is where clarity lives. 47. Take care of your teeth. Your smile is your first impression. 48. Make your bed every morning. Win the first battle of the day. 49. Keep a glow-up journal. Track your evolution. 50. Act like your future self now. This is the secret most people miss, because the truth is, you don't wait to become that person. You decide, and then you grow into it. Subscribe.